Hi everyone, Lisa here. I have my first class ready for 2025. So this class, we're going to be using the birthday celebration stamp set. It is new, stamp set and dies. It's new. It's in the mini catalog. That'll be going live January 5th. So, and let me show you what we're going to make, what this class includes. So this is a birthday banner, and it's hard to pull it all the way out because the camera won't fit it all along. But this is the end where you tie it. And here's one of the banners, the second, the third, the fourth. So this fourth one, my instructions are going to include the instructions for this, but you can personalize this one because these dies, they have numbers. So you can make it say happy 13th birthday, 20th birthday, 80th birthday, whatever you choose. So you can personalize it. My instructions are going to be just basic. And so that's the fourth. Here's the fifth. And the sixth, and then the seventh. So there's 7 banners, and then here's the other end. So it would hang all like this for you to hang and use over and over. So you're going to get all the materials to make this banner, plus a birthday card, 1 birthday card, and then a mini gift bag. So the designer series paper, you're going to get a full pack of the Wildflowers birthday designer series paper. So this has 2 sheets with all of these well, not this one, all of the die cuts that we use. And so I made sure my projects use just 1 sheet. You're going to get 2 sheets because you're getting a full pack. So you can make double of this and still have leftovers. These are the leftovers I have from my packet. So your class is going to include the materials to make these, the banner, the card, the bag. You're going to get a spool of this open weave gold trim. You're going to get a pack of the party dots, and you're going to get 2 yards of this twisted gold trim, and that should help you make your to hang your banner from. And then there's a couple of bows on the ends that you'll need right here. So for all of this, plus where is my PDF tutorial, plus the pack of designer series paper, plus my PDF tutorial that has the step-by-step instructions for each flag for your banner, and then the card and the gift bag. So this will be $57 to go. It includes priority shipping. So let me go over it again. You're going to get all the pre-cut elements to make the banner, the card, and the mini gift bag. A full package of Wildflower Birthday DSP, package of the party dots, a spool of the gold open weave trim, 2 yards of the twisted gold trim, the PDF tutorial, and priority shipping for $57 to go. And my second option, as always, is just the PDF tutorial for $15. Sorry. And then if you want to add, if you want to add the birthday celebration bundle for $41.25, I will pay the tax and shipping, and I'll include it in your kit. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I will have the registration link to this class below. The registration deadline is January 11th, and the kits will ship on January 18th, unless there's something on back order. If there's a good majority of your kit that's ready to go and just a little bit on back order, I'll ship it, and then I'll send the back order items later. All right, thank you. Take care. Bye.